under my computer.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And today we're interviewing a very close friend of mine, and he did some stuff for the math world. Please help me welcome Fibonacci. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, we have some few questions for you.
Okay.
Where and when were you born?
I was born in 1170 in Pisa, Italy.
Did you have any siblings to grow up with?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I had one brother. His name was Bonacci.
What did your parents do for work?
My father Gilmo was a Pisan merchant, and he was the council of the Pisa merchants and council community over the Pisa merchants.
Where did you attend school?
I didn't go to normal school. I had an Arab minister teach me while we were traveling across the Mediterranean, and we learned about numbers and arithmetic.
So after you traveled around the Mediterranean, what became your role in the math world?
My role was I am known for the Fibonacci sequence.
Can you explain this to us?
Yes, it is where the two factors has been added up to the other number. Here's an example. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21.
So, how did you come up with the Fibonacci sequence?
While I was talking to some merchants around, like when I was hanging out, there was one thing that stuck up at me. It's from the Indians, called the Hindu-Arabic numeral sequence.
So, some people say that the Fibonacci sequence goes beyond math. They also say it appears in nature. Can you explain this to us?
Yes, it actually does appear in nature and some other places. Like if you see a hurricane, spiral galaxies, flowers, and then there's one called the Nautilus shell. Its chambers are close to the Fibonacci sequence.
Wow, that was really interesting. You have contributed a lot to the math world. Thanks for what all you've done.
Thanks.
And one more question. Is there anything else you would like to say before we end our broadcast?
Yes. I am happily married to my wife, and I have 5 children. Life is good.
That's all we have today, and stay tuned so that way we can interview the next mathematician.